Hello, I am Dr. PC Sahu. I have a mission to aware the public about taking synthetic drugs in maximum time. In this present time, maximum people are taking daily medicines like for gastritis, for blood pressure, for diabetes, for heart diseases, for kidney diseases, for insomnia, for multivitamins, for no necessity. This eventually kills the kidney. People don't understand this. Even doctors are not conscious about this. They used to prescribe as much as possible, and there is a pharma company and doctor nexus, and the corporate hospitals have a business nexus. They are using medicines rampantly without thinking about the consequences of the people. So in this case, I have just found out that there are a lot of patients. They used to wander hospital to hospital. Hospitals, maximum corporate hospitals, they have their financial interest, so they advise maximum investigations passed for no cause, CT scanning, MRI, ultrasounds, and all sort of pathological investigations. And finally, if they don't find anything findings in the pathological, they will advise some multivitamins, and they will use some medicines, and they will discharge the patient. Then when the patient fails, he will try they will try Ayurvedic, they will try homeopathic, they will try some other thing. Maximum time they are squeezed of their financial condition. They are due to harassments, their family, their emotional life, their spiritual life, their social life, everything is damaged. In this case, I have studies out of my 35 years of medical practice. Maximum diseases are not caused due to some viruses or bacteria which can be treated by giving antibiotics. Maximum diseases even have no cause, those are called idiopathic diseases. In this case, doctor just utilize hit and trial method. If there is a success, very good thing. If no success, then nothing. And even they don't have the habit to refer the patient to a particular pathy. There are so many diseases we have no cause in allopathy, like eczema, like rheumatism, like asthma, there is liver cirrhosis. There are so many diseases which have no cause in allopathy, but have some extent have the benefit from Ayurvedic or some benefit from homeopathy. But these medical professionals, they will never refer the patient to these doctors out of their ego. Even homeopathy, there are a lot of pseudo homeopaths. They will not take the case, they will not properly study, but use so many medicines like allopathy. People eventually lost hope in allopathy, Ayurveda, and homeopathy. There comes the time when the patient becomes hopeless, harassed. In these sort of conditions, I have thought that the cause of the disease is not the even lifestyle disorder, even not other things, but there is a thing of negative thinking, negative emotions, negative relations. These things cause a lot of stress and loss of sleep, loss of appetite. Due to lifestyle disorders, the patient suffers from a lot of diseases. In this condition, while taking the case record, the family history, past history, the personal history, I have found that the negative thoughts of the person, the negative relations the negative environment, the negative upbringing from the childhood, these are the causes of the diseases. So in these cases, the medicine has very limited role. So in this case, the doctor has to do the psychological counseling first, then go for giving medicines. In this case, I have developed my specialty, my branch, that is cosmotherapy. I have to find out the cosmic connection between the universe and the person. When the universe, when the subconscious mind is abnormally linked, abnormally affected, the patient, the conscious brain, the conscious mind used to suffer, used to give signs and symptoms, a lot of abnormalities. Even the medical science is not able to diagnose these sort of diseases. In this case, cosmotherapy is very good. In cosmotherapy, we find out the abnormal emotional things, abnormal relations things, abnormal thinking process, abnormal mindset. So in this case, we try to set the mindset perfect first. The patient has to be made conscious about is the aim of their life, why God has given to the person. By skipping all these things, medicine and all the sort of negative thinking, the patient is given a lot of directions, lot of changes their food habits. Maximum foods are also the causes of diseases. There is something now, food as a medicine. So in cosmotherapy, I have given importance to food, diet. There is also yoga, pranayam, meditation, and the positive thinking, and the total lifestyle is changed by our counseling. And also, after all, we give the miasmatic homeopathic treatment. Miasmatic homeopathic treatment means when the ordinary or the general homeopathic practitioners fail, the ordinary homeopathy fail, because maximum homeopaths are using patents, biochemics, mother tinctures, and multiple medicines. These are actually is not proper homeopathy. In proper homeopathy, we do mono, mini, and semi. Mono means a single medicine is prescribed. Mini means is the most minimum quantity of the medicine given the dose, and semi means the most simillimum. Simillimum means the symptoms of the disease and the symptoms of the drug, they should be similar. This is the principles of homeopathy, but nobody is following now. All are now even duplicating allopathy by giving multiple drugs to get immediate relief. But eventually the patient do not get a cure. In this case, in micro homeopathy or the miasmatic homeopathy, a single medicine is prescribed according to the simillimum, and also taking into account the miasma of the patient. By improving the lifestyle, by improving the food habits, by improving the mindset, and also the best possible homeopathic medicine gives a lot of relief to patients who suffer from chronic diseases. Even diabetes below 40 is very finely curable. Any liver disorder, they have very good treatment in cosmotherapy. Kidney disease, even heart diseases. Let the patient take his allopathic medicines along with this for some months. Give this cosmotherapy. After some days, the patient has to stop the heart medicines, and the patient gets relief. The blood pressure, diabetes, the gastritis. Maximum people are taking gastric tablets daily. Daily, as if with a style. They take anti uh, gastric medicines, and in whole day they used to take all sort of foods to get relief. Eventually, the kidney becomes failed. The kidney failure. A lot of kidney patients now. A lot of dialysis patients are very much in a rush in government in hospitals. A lot of young fellows below their 50, they are dying from kidney disease, but the cause is only the maximum synthetic drugs. Maximum people they take analgesic or painkillers very frequently. They should avoid those things. Even heart diseases can be cured by lessening the stress in life, by meditation, by yoga pranayam. So why to take a hypertensive medicine daily? Even diabetes can also be cured by exercise and by lifestyle change and by reducing the stress. So I have to a message for the public that please don't take synthetic drugs too much. Try this cosmotherapy. I am on a study now. I am just doing my research. Let it help all my patients. Thank you.